Hi everyone. Welcome to our series, Women Empower Women series, and today it's going to be a very interesting session. We're going to, learn a lot of tips and tricks to, you know, look good, feel good, along with Ambika. So just give me a moment to just try to keep the light properly, and I'll bring her online. We're also going to be joined by Surbhi, co-founder of Theascape, and we all are going to kind of learn. This is something, we've been looking forward to, and thanks to Ambika, she's going to share all the tricks with us. So just bringing them both online.
Hey,
Hello.
hi.
Hi,
Hi.
How are you all?
good, good. How are you?
Good. All excited.
Very
Yeah.
excited. So very
You know, you're gonna enlighten us with your tricks and trips.
A pleasure.
We both we both are almost the same when it comes to this category.
No,
yes.
I also fall on the same level because for me, my house is with no comb, no powder. In fact, I was
Yeah.
packing up for, the session.
Wow, wow, wow.
Yeah.
So, Ambika, welcome. It's so good to have you with us.
Thank you.
Before you joined in, I was just giving an intro. So, Ambika is a celebrity makeup artist, and she's with Tony and Guy, JP Nagar, and it's really it's a fun session, and we were really looking forward to this. Something that we could adopt as well, just immediately.
Same here.
So. So welcome once again, and let's get started. I have my whatever I have. So we'll see how it goes.
No, basically, this session is, to tell that, what I think everybody has, everybody would love to be beautiful, that's more important.
Yeah.
But yes, we have a lot of questions when to do, what to do, why should we do, and stuff like that. And I have a lot of my friends who, literally ask me, what do you do to your skin? But trust me, yaar, I'm very poor at maintaining it, and you could see all my freckles. This is, in fact, I wanted to be this way because so people will know, okay, Ambika's really not putting anything over the shell. So
Great.
quickly,
Yeah.
to just
Yeah.
give a little brief about me.
Yeah.
I've been in the industry for past 15 years. So I
Oh,
have
nice.
trained over 3,000 stylists in my career. So I've been
Lovely.
working with leading brands like Lakme, Tony and Guy, Limelight, Green Trends. I've been a brand trainer. So
Nice.
my job is basically to train the stylist. So this is how I have been, but it's been 10 years, couple of years that I've moved being an entrepreneur, running a couple of chain of franchisees and stuff. So right now I have my salon in JP Nagar, and I also have a couple of other salons like Naturals in Mangalore and Manipal.
Okay.
Wow.
Very
So
nice.
thank you. So
So,
quickly
so
to,
Ambika,
yeah, please.
we are in safe hands.
Thank you. Well, anytime you need an haircut, facial, or any consultation, anything, my boys
Hmm.
and girls are there for sure to assist you.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Well, quickly to get into the CTM process.
Yes.
What is CTM basically is nothing but that I'm sure everybody must be also knowing it's cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. So cleansing doesn't mean that we have to literally sit every day, just do all that facial gyan and stuff. Not at all. Whatever, I'm sure we all are, now we have got used with sanitizing and all that.
Sanitizing the hand.
In the same way, like, how do I personally start my day is this. So every day morning, we have to, wash our face. It could be a soap, it could be a, face wash or even a milk or anything because each
Okay.
one of us have, different skin type.
Right.
Yeah.
So the basic funda is to cleanse. It could be anything of your choice. Because each one has their preference, each one is comfortable with different products and stuff. So I'm not here to sell any product or tell anything, but yes, a little information that I'm sure will help
Yeah.
anybody.
Yes,
So what
absolutely.
I generally, right now, I'm into a product which is made up of donkey's milk, which
Wow.
gives an amazing result. My skin complexion is absolutely increased.
Oh, wow.
So I use something like this, Lime Lush ka
Okay.
soap. I use a soap. I personally use a bar. So, but people can get into any cleansers because we have people telling me, I prone to get acne or, a lot of things like that. People are comfortable using face wash. They feel they go a little more drier and stuff. So I use Lime Lush
Nice.
is what I've been using it since January now. So it's making wonderful results. And otherwise, initially I was using Cetaphil,
Cetaphil.
which is another magic product.
Potion.
For dry.
I know it's a magic product.
It kind of, yeah, so I get a lot of acne on my face, lot of acne due to the PCOS condition. So
Okay.
Cetaphil did make a difference. It
Lot of
really-
difference. See, basically, it's a deep cleansing. What happens, no?
Yes.
When we particularly use something, when you're conscious of cleansing it, you get a little more conscious of doing it a little deeper.
Deeper.
Exactly. So, how do I do it personally? Is I use a face massager. Okay. So if you guys have this, you can stick on to it. What happens is, we generally have an habit of just washing it and flushing the water and moving around. So what I generally do is that, since I just take my bar like that, rub it, and then just go ahead like this. I think you guys can join me for CTM.
Yeah. I don't have the tool that you have. I have cotton.
Whatever.
So I
Anything. See, I don't mind. I don't mind. I will also go on with Cetaphil if you all are comfortable with. So,
Yes.
or even,
What's
Garnier.
cleanser?
So, see, this cleansing water helps us to deep cleanse. See, what happens? How are we supposed to choose these is nothing, but we have to make sure that, they are not harsh to our skin. The pH
Right.
level has to be, 7 or not more above or not too.
Correct.
Something like that. And also make sure that we don't remove away our natural moisturizer. The natural
Right.
oil is something that we have to stick on with. So that is very, very important. So what I do is, I just give a circulatory movement. Always, even we are doing it on a hand or a tissue, what we are supposed to do is just go on a circulatory movement.
Okay.
Just go circulatory.
So new to me.
Okay. Let's be uniform. So I'm just taking a bud, cotton bud, and just deeply. Never be harsh, People have the tendency feeling that, a little more pressure generally makes them feel much cleaner, which is it's not the right way. Just take out all the excess. See, I always suggest you to have 2-time cleansing. If it could be a cleanser, it could be a soap, it could be a face wash or anything. And never forget your neck and your ears, which is very important. So once you remove everything, make twice, because the first cleanse is always superficial, where we tend to remove our excess makeup, our moisturizer and stuff like that. So the second cleansing basically naturally happens with a post level. So just nicely go on, concentrate. See, I'm sure people with this busy day, they don't get a lot of time to sit and do all this.
No, Ambika, seriously.
That's why this, beauty blenders works amazing, you know. They are the
Yeah.
silicone brushes. You just have to
Right.
run it, you know,
Right.
circulatory, which really makes my job too easy. So I just
Right.
run
So,
it away
uh,
like that.
so I have a question.
Yeah,
TTF.
please.
So you said do it twice a day, morning and night. So this is the first thing that you do in the morning when you wake up. Or
Yes. See, me, I have a 4 years old son, okay? The
huh.
first thing I tell my son is let's do the password.
Mhm.
So that directly we hit the restroom, brush it, and then wash and come out. I
Oh,
hardly take, few minutes. It's just the practice. You just start doing it and you will
hmm.
get the ease of
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
See, for you told me you have acne.
Yes.
Correct. See, what I suggest personally is to have a ice
Yeah,
pack.
it helps a lot.
Hmm.
It
Yeah.
just gives an
I've tried that.
amazing result. See, I have a jute roller. Basically,
Uh-huh.
I refrigerate it on my
Ah,
freezers. So I just roll it.
Right.
It
nice.
not just,
Guys,
helps.
that's why I call this session tricks, okay? These are the tricks you got to
True,
know.
true, true. See, because
Uh,
any eyes directly on the skin is not advisable.
yeah.
Okay,
So
okay,
I suggest if at all you're using a ice, uh, wrap it with a cloth, cotton or a tissue or something, and
okay,
just rub it. You know what
okay.
happens is these ice packs help us to tighten our pores.
Hmm.
See, yes, our medical reasons and our lifestyle, genetical concerns do occurs on our skin and things like that. But yes, these superficial tricks and practices will help us to keep them intact. That's all that we can do.
Yeah.
So once I'm done with it, I stick on to a toner. Again, I use a Lime Lash toner or any toner. Just
So
Okay.
I'll just take a moment and I'll say that Yojana is saying loving the session.
thank
Me
you.
too.
Yay, Yodra. Yodra, we hope that you're also trying along with us. Everyone,
So
please
yeah, I
join
think
in.
then I just spray, maybe one, two, and three. A spray of a toner. See, why do
Right.
we have to use a toner? Basically, toners makes a major role to our skin. It
Okay.
keeps our skin. It is more like an antiseptic as well.
Mhm.
We might be harsh towards our skin. We wouldn't know. We would have given a little more pressure towards our skin and pores.
Mhm.
So this helps us. It controls oil. It helps to close up and tags the pores. And
Right.
when we, especially if at all we get into another product, what happens? The penetration level is being taken care of.
Right.
So this helps to prepare the skin. See, it could be
Right.
your office going, it could be you are at home, it could be that you're going for an event or you are the
Yeah.
bride. I personally suggest to stick on to the CTM routine is very very important. So once
Right.
I'm done with it, go get into a moisturizer. See, these days there
Okay.
are a couple of moisturizers in the market. All I
Yeah.
tell you is don't get into a harsh moisturizer where they have a lot of derma peeling. There are a lot of things whitening,
Yeah.
sulfate, a lot of sulfates, a lot of lactic
Right.
acids, a lot of these kind of products are available, which gives you a very instant glow or gives you a good moisture. Alcohol
Right.
based products. What happens is
Right.
for a long run, it really affects our skin.
Right.
So always try to stick on to the mild, that gives a wonderful long run skin. See, I'm like almost 37 now. So people don't, my skin, at the most, I make sure to keep my skin hale and healthy. So it gives that,
Yeah.
a good glow and the firm. So I don't recommend as I told you, but I love personally a Cetaphil hydrating moisturizer or an
Right.
Aventos moisturizers are very good. I again use a Lime Lash moisturizer personally.
Okay.
We also have moisturizer with sunscreen.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Right.
people feel that, I don't travel these days or I don't go out. Why do I have to use a sunscreen? You absolutely need to use a sunscreen. It could be your kitchen, it could be your living room, or you sit before the system and work. Your skin needs to be protected. So there are products where we have sunscreen also with moisturizers. You can also use that, which also gives a good effect. So always remember, after each step, as in a cleansing, just give the skin to get settled. After the toning, just give. See what happens. No, what I don't have a mirror at home, if you guys believe it or not, or a
Yeah.
makeup. Yeah, I don't have a dressing
Oh
table
my
at all at my
God.
home. Yeah. So what I do is I just walk to my wardrobe. I cleanse. I walk down. And after toning, I walk down. I go take my moisturizer. Come back to a place. Put some moisturizer. Then again I go for a walk. The
So
reason is,
it takes it
yeah,
gives that time,
it
right?
takes the time to get penetrated.
To the
It takes the skin gets absorbed. It basically
Yeah.
pets the skin. The skin has to breathe. The skin has to realize. I don't know how many of us would realize when we pour water on the hair. No, you'll see a little butterfly movement on our hair. That's
Yeah.
basically our hydrogen bond opens when we put water. So the bond
Mhm.
actually opens. It's the same way for our skin as well.
Okay.
So the skin has to react accordingly. So once the
Right.
toner gets worked up, I'm using a moisturizer with again it's Lime Blush. I'm just fallen in love with this products. I'm just taking
Time
two.
Blush. Got to
Yeah.
check it out. So we
Yes.
yes.
let's check it out.
I'm just taking two
Yeah.
pump of the product. You can get into the moisturizer, any
All
moisturizer
right.
that we regularly use.
So
Okay, I have Vaseline.
can you
So
something like say for a dry
Please.
skin type or T zone skin type? I mean, what kind of moisturizer should we use?
Okay, yes. See, each product, for an example, if it is going to be a Cetaphil, also has different range of things. See, what
yeah.
happens is a gel based is recommended for oily skin.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
More Hydra, for the dry skin.
Hmm.
For the normal to dry or a combination skin or a normal skin, it depends on our climate, the weather.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
we have to choose, because for me personally, I become too dry with these climate right now. But in summer, it's extremely oily.
Right.
So that depends on how your skin works. See, for me, initially I was with products where I love Cetaphil. Then after which, I felt Cetaphil was a little thicker for my skin. The
Right.
consistency of Cetaphil is a little thicker base. So that time
Right.
I get into a lotion.
Right.
Cetaphil
Okay.
also has lotion. So generally, this is how we distinguish for the skin type. And
Nice.
again, purely depends on each individual. I
Hmm.
may be comfortable with a product, or you may be comfortable with a product, because the skin gets used with it.
Hmm.
Right.
So, and again, for an example, if I'm a long day out, I still prefer to use a good strong moisturizers, because it gives me more moisture, because the natural dryness would be extremely more for the day.
Yeah.
So
Oh,
accordingly,
right.
I go.
Hmm.
Right.
Precisely for you, you use in Vaseline. Don't get
Yeah.
into, because they are of white petroleum. Basically, Vaselines are, too
Okay.
greasy. That
I
could
had
be.
no idea about it.
Yeah, so don't get into it. See, the skin
Okay.
has to breathe.
Hmm.
What happens? They just get to block the pores.
Block the pores.
Hmm.
Okay.
So you have to always get into a product which is very mild. So I'm just
Okay.
and activate your product.
Okay.
When we take any moisturizer, you just activate it, which is very important, because the micromolecules has to get activated to
It,
the skin. The body heat, our warmness.
Hmm.
Especially even me, I have a discolorization on my T-zone
Mm-hmm.
because we speak, we talk. The
Yeah.
motion, the movement there is more. So we always have to moisture more.
Right.
So it has to observe. Just give a minute, and this is how I start my day.
Lovely.
Okay. So it
Um,
just gets observed. I don't disturb my skin. After, a while, 5-10 minutes, I take my time to do my hair or whatever, and then get into mine. See, I don't use a compact. I don't use a concealer. I don't use anything to my skin. This is how I go anywhere. Only my lipstick varies according to the need.
mood.
Yeah, maybe yes. So after this, what do I do is my brows. See, now we are
Yeah.
not moving out anywhere without a mask. So
Yeah.
all our, happiness, our
I.
expression is all our eyes. So let's get into our eyes soon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always lift your brows.
So,
If you guys don't have a brush like this, even a normal toothbrush,
have this
wow,
kind of.
yes,
Okay,
just
I'm
first
Okay.
comb it.
right now, but yeah.
Okay, yeah, just take a
Okay.
normal comb.
Okay, I don't have it right here. Anyways,
Okay,
I have the tools, but I have no idea what is for what.
okay, now you're going to use it,
today you
Divya.
will get to know, Divya.
Yeah, just nicely brush it and give them the shape. See what happens, that will naturally give you a lift.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Comb it right. You were just going diagonally. Just go straight.
Oh, okay. Great. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So once we are done with this, I get into a kajal. I'm sure
Mm-hmm.
everybody will have a brow pencil or a kajal or
Yeah.
anything, correct? So always remember you will start it from the center of the eyebrows.
Oh, okay.
Never start from the start. You will have to
Okay.
start from this pivot, this arch, always. See why, you would see people who would just draw it.
Mm-hmm.
That shouldn't be there. It has to look natural. When it is a work from home look, it means we will not be decked up. And we should not either
Absolutely.
take a lot of time.
Absolutely. I like that, Ambika. Really like
Okay.
that.
I'm kind of person when it comes to makeup.
Okay.
Yes.
No, even a little darker
So,
kajal, no, my husband
from
will tell
here,
me,
okay.
oh, you are made up, you have put a lot of lipstick,
Hmm.
you have put a lot of kajal. My son will say, Emma, what is this eyebrows? Remove it. I'm just using a brush because I'm used with it.
Okay. Then brush it, is it? Okay. Try that out. This is the first time ever that I've put it on my eyebrows.
Oh,
Oh my God. Learning phase, learning phase.
can you see the difference?
Oh yeah.
Absolutely. Just a little kajal has.
Very nice. Great.
See, it's basically we are undercoating our, eyebrows.
Okay.
As we have a natural pretty eyebrows by,
Nice, isn't it?
yeah.
Look
So just again comment.
Akhila is
Yes.
saying it. Wow.
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 Hi, Akila. Akila, please bring all your pens, pencils, and everything, and let's do it together.
Yeah.
Yeah. Akila, hope, all your questions are getting answered here. Then comes your kajal. And lip,
Okay.
by now I would like to just moisturize my lip.
Moisturizes it.
Yes.
Okay.
See, any lip gloss,
So, moisturizing,
as in a
do we
lip balm or a
yeah, yeah.
moisturizer. See what happens, no? People generally with this, especially the weather right now is so bad. We get a lot of freckles. We have a lot
Yeah.
of blisters on our lip. So moisturizing or pepping or whatever we call it as, putting a lip gloss or a lip
Is to
moisturizer
protect
or
the lips, is it?
balm is
Okay.
very, very important.
Okay.
Just run it.
So, there are these
Yeah, long stay.
matte, yeah, matte, the sugar one. Now, these are very dry, right? So, do we kind of moisturize before that also?
Absolutely,
Oh,
absolutely. See what happens, have you ever noticed when you use the sugar, after some time it just chips out?
Yeah.
it starts chipping off.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that happens because there is no smooth base on our lip.
Oh,
I'll tell you
okay.
another trick which I generally do it personally. In
Okay.
my house, I have two toothbrush. One brush is for my lips. Every day after my brush, I quickly brush my lips. Or
Nice.
the finger, the child brushes that we get, the
Yeah,
finger
yeah, yeah.
brushes, they are awesome. Just have to circulatory movement, it will remove our dry cells.
Wow.
So that
I
gives
never
a
thought.
very smooth. See, I can never be without a lipstick.
Hmm.
I'm with a
Me
retro
too. I
red.
love lipsticks.
Yeah, with
I love
a
lipsticks.
proper retro red even at home. For me, even if I'm going to do cooking, then I love to put a lipstick because from
Awesome.
childhood I have that mindset because my lips are too dark, they're brown. I feel really more confident with the dark
Awesome.
lipsticks. So
Nice.
to keep that maintained and keep our especially anything as a product, yeah, we have to take care
Right.
of it. So I just
Absolutely.
absolutely scrub it and then put a lip gloss and a lip balm and leave it and then go to the kajal. I use a MAC eye kajal.
Okay. MAC, and I have a sugar kajal. Where is it?
Any
Here.
kajal. Maybelline is very good. Lakme is very good. All the, everything is good.
This is going to be a scary one.
Scary one.
Okay. No, no, no. Stop. I'll
Akila
teach you
says I
what to
love
do.
it too. Yay, Akila. Akila, what's your favorite color? Type it. Type in.
Well, see, if you guys have a brush, just take the little product.
Okay. I do have a brush.
Okay. You don't have or an earbud.
Yeah, I have an.
No, no
Even a
earbud.
earbud makes awesome result.
Oh.
Okay.
But I have this kajal. Oh, I can work with this as well.
Yeah,
I mean,
anything is fine. I will just
yeah.
tell you how do you
How to?
go with.
Yeah.
Just dip your whatever you use. It could be a
Hmm.
bud, a brush, or whatever.
Hmm.
This is how I do it for a day-to-day look. Okay.
Hmm.
Just keep it on my waterline and close it and run the brush.
Wow.
That's all you have to do. You know what happens? We tend to draw it like this, like that. Then we get tired, and people feel that I can't. Putting a kajal becomes a very big chaos for everybody.
Yeah.
But for me, it is like I just take it like that. A earbud also or any pencil, I'll just run it.
Without a mirror.
Yeah.
Okay. Akila is saying browns and nudes. Surbi, browns and nudes.
Oh,
Peach,
it's a
but
favorite.
peach
Yeah, we'll
color.
stick on to a nude lipstick for sure, Akila,
Oh,
for you.
damn. I have all the crazy ones.
Oh, wow. Well, if it is a pencil, if we
Yeah.
are going to use a pencil,
Hmm.
just drop it and then run your pencil. Run your pencil.
Okay, it's become a little thicker,
That's smart.
probably because of the brush.
Okay. Divya, you're
I
making
have
it,
this kind of
you're putting it above your
Yeah,
you're putting it on your
brow.
eyelid, which we have
Ah.
not come to that. See what
Oh,
happens for a office.
sorry.
No, 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 it's nice, but it's nice that somebody is so used with it. I'm happy. So I generally prefer for a daily look or a work from home look. You just do the waterline makes a lot of difference. You don't
Waterline.
look decked up, you don't look made up, something
Okay.
like that. So, and
Okay.
what do I do with the excess product now, as you did, what I do is I just run my brush above my eyes. That's all. Just run the used brush. So it just gives me a
Okay.
yeah. This is all I do. I don't prefer eyeshadows, highlighters, and all that, which is
Yeah.
a little too
But
much.
you must be using it for all your clientele, right?
Let's use a mascara.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me try this out once again on the other eye. Surbhi, how's it going?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm failing at the kajal also.
Wow. I think you guys are pro, yeah.
Are not at all, Ambika. Barely manage.
Okay.
Oh my God, it's gone so thick.
Yes. See, that is the reason. You stick on to just draw. Okay, I'll tell you another
Try
technique. If you want
on
to
the
do it
left.
on the up, just lift your lid and do it. Can you see my eyes?
Yes.
Full of kajal.
Oh,
It's just
okay.
out of practice. I'm sure you all exactly. She's done. She's catching it.
Awesome.
Yes.
So if we put it like this,
How are you
along
supposed
with
to
putting
remove
it,
it?
hmm,
Any makeup remover,
just take it and
just
remove it.
take it off. Or with a earbud. See, you can just run your earbud like this and take it off.
Yeah. See
Well, how do I use a mascara?
how pro I am?
No, it's all that your lid has to be sharp.
Yeah, right.
If your lid is going to be sharp, it's going to give you a good effect. Now, I'm getting into the mascara part.
Hmm.
I'm just running it. I'm not drawing it. I'm just brushing my lashes. That's all that you have to do. When you brush your lashes, it gives you a very nice, don't try to curl it. Don't
Okay.
try to curl it. All you
Hmm.
have to work on the tip of your lashes, okay?
Hmm.
Just run it like that. Don't curl it. What happens when we curl it or, twist it that way? It becomes too dramatic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just run it like this.
I don't have mascara with me.
Okay. Just with your kajal pencil, just run your lashes that way.
Lashes? Okay.
Yes. See, just this way.
Oh. See, guys, another trick. If you don't
Yeah.
have mascara
Uh,
or it's finished, don't worry.
yes. I'm done. Now comes your lipstick. See, my
Yes.
all-time favorite these
Best
days
part.
are the Maybelline ones.
Mm-hmm.
They
Ah,
are
nice.
absolutely lovely. Where
And
you have
delicious.
to literally take it off.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't go off.
Not
Awesome.
at all. Try it. I'm very sure. Try it.
Oh,
They are
awesome, awesome.
awesome. Or another is the Lakme matte one, which I like. They are very nude, very natural and
Ah,
nice.
Yeah.
nice.
I'll first show you the Lakme wala. I'm not drawing my lip. I'm not defining my lip. I'm not trying to, give a shape to it and all that, because it's just going to be a work from home. So all I need is to just give a tint.
So the one that you're using is a matte?
This is Lakme.
Okay.
Yeah,
No, the liquid one, or
liquid one.
it's
Liquid one. It's a vintage pick.
now,
03 is the number.
okay. Now the trickiest part is to outline the lip. So
See, for a daily look, okay, I'll tell you another trick. Don't try to draw your upper lip. First, do your lower lip.
oh, okay.
This is a very favorite shade of mine, which I love to use it, which looks very natural, nudie look, which you can
Very nice.
carry it with any Western clothes or any clothes that
Yeah.
I prefer to go with this. If I just want to step out of my house, okay, I'm going to meet a new friend or just going out for a coffee or something like that, then I just overdo my lip.
Okay.
Yeah. This is one of my favorite shades.
It looks really nice. It kind
Absolutely
of pops
natural.
your eyes, Your
Yeah.
eyes are looking so nice.
Oh, thank you. So once I'm done with it, if I want to just enhance it, or I just want it to look a little more okay, kind of.
Yeah. Does it look okay, Ambika? This is the only thing I can do well.
You look great.
So kind.
Yeah.
And Surbi has a nude lipstick on.
Yeah.
I just used a
Ace is the
little
nude
pink
man.
for just lining it over to give a ombre kind of
Awesome.
an effect. So
Okay.
it
Awesome.
looks much better that way. And once you are done with my lips, I don't step out without a bindi. I always prefer having a bindi.
Let's see that. Surbi.
Yeah.
Yeah, I generally.
And now I know why.
Oh, it's
Killer.
so much of a difference. Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah, it does. It does. Very nice.
So,
Indian look, right? Beautiful.
Woohoo, guys.
this is how I carry myself for my work every day.
Awesome. Really nice. Very nice.
So the trick is to just recap it your brows. That's people. A lot of them ask me, how do you do it, or all that is just give their shape themselves, and then just touch your a corner and the boundaries or the edges of your eyebrows is one,
Eyes.
and then the kajaling part. People love these days. People become a pro and doing the wing or any kind of a liner. That purely depends on each individual one. Because one day I'm in sari, one day I'm with any other clothes or a t-shirt or something like that.
Yeah.
So I prefer being this way for a daily wear. And then mascara. Don't run your mascara or don't try to curl it or something, So just have to. It gives you the lash extension look. These days the semi-permanent makeups are all, big time a boom. So what happens is I just run it. So it gives a very beautiful look, natural look basically, to enhance our own pretty features. And then a little of lipstick. If you want to make up a little more, I can just tell you, if I just have to do something little more, Gyan, then I just highlight my brow.
With the eyeshadow?
This is a Benefit palette that I have, which has got a highlighter, a blush on, and everything.
Nice.
So you go for the nude shade in that?
Yes. See, I generally prefer to get into a lot of nudes and a very mild nude shimmers, which basically enhances our skin tone. See,
Right.
I'm not a very fair person. I'm a very wheatish complexion. So I just enhance the glow in my face and just give
Right.
my skin a, it looks a next door girl effect.
Yeah.
Rather people looking at us being too decked up,
Right.
looking this way, I feel more comfortable. This is my view about
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So this is what I do it.
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Aishwarya
And
says, wow.
oh, thank you. So now moving on to the next is nothing but
Yes.
to remove all this.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
That's very important.
Very
So
important. And I must admit that, I sometimes risk my skin and I kind of
Fitness.
let it be. Please do highlight the cons of it.
exactly. See what
I do
happens.
it a lot.
Just imagine, any stain on it could be on our clothes, it could be on our skin, or it could be on our any thing that we have. Leaving it for a long time takes a very long time to be removed as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is a very important part. So what have we done? We have already put a moisturizer where, we
Yes.
try to seal our pores and stuff like that.
Right.
We will want our skin to breathe.
Right.
So what is that, as soon as you come back home or you're done with your classes or your, work and stuff like that, is to remove it.
Hmm.
You use a makeup remover, you may use a soap, you use
Yeah.
anything, but make sure you take off everything. And especially your eye. You will
Yeah.
have to remove your kajal. See, just with such a intense dark pigment, leaving on your sensitive, that's a sensitivest area because there are a lot of water content there. So they just absorb, they keep
Hmm.
observing, and that's where a lot of them get into a dark circle or things like that. Of course it could be genetic, it could be our lifestyle and everything, but as I told you in the beginning, superficial taking care is something that it is from our end.
Right.
Apart from our health, could be any reasons that we have sticking on with that. See, I'm sure no kids will have it.
Hmm.
See, if
Yeah.
you see
True.
any child born is with kajal, do they have a dark circle? No, because what happens as a mother, we make. See, I was running a play school for 5 years. Okay, I was running a
Okay.
jumbo kids for 5 years, and
Okay.
being a early child educator, I love to play. These days it's all example come from kids. What do? They don't have dark circles. How? And I'm sure we use a kajal on them on a day-to-day basis.
Yeah.
We used to massage them well before their bath,
Right.
the
Yeah.
oil massage. So the
Right.
same technique, yeah, take a baby oil, remove your kajal.
Hmm.
Coconut oil is one of the best thing ever that you can stick on to. Just remove it off. People, that's the funda now. We don't have water to be pure now, air to be pure. So people
Yeah.
get into organic and all that stuff. See, me getting into my organic soap and my oil products also is the same way because being in the fashion industry, I'm bound to take care of my skin
Yes.
Right.
no matter what. So, removing your makeup is uttermost important,
Yeah.
and toning your skin again is an most important thing. And then is your night
So
creams.
we'll really have to incorporate this because right
Please,
now
guys,
it
I'm
is.
sure we can have a 30 to 60 day of a challenge.
Oh
I'm
yeah, we
Yeah.
should.
I'm very
That's a
sure
good
your
one.
skin will improve.
Yeah.
Trust me, that will give you a commandable, changes on your skin. See, I would very proudly say I was using NC40 from my Mac. Now I'm
Okay.
using 35. My skin tone is absolutely improved,
Same.
and
Very nice.
I mean it. You start doing that. See, it's
Got
basically more of a self love here. You love yourself. Just
yeah.
imagine 10 minutes for yourself, which is very
Yeah.
important. So, I again cleanse my skin in the night, wash it. Rather, using a term cleansing becomes more professional. People feel that I can't go sit and do all that. Please wash your face in the night, tone it. I don't have a toner. I don't have to go buy. These days, I don't know which product is good. Just take some ice water, splash it.
Wow.
A cold
That makes a
water
lot of
gives you
difference.
a great, see, it
Yeah.
helps to reduce your pigmentation. Some sun tags, you know what happens? We will not realize. Even,
Yeah.
traveling in the car more than 20 minutes in sun, you will get tanned.
Yeah.
And our
It's true.
sunblogs don't work more than 1 hour. And we can't just keep going and doing things. So
Yeah.
we have the entire night for our skin to breathe.
Right.
So
Absolutely.
work, your skin during that, use a night cream. Get into, I use a L'Oreal Perfect White Car night cream, or any Aventoca moisturizing lotions I get into, or
Nice.
any vitamin E oil, any essential oils. Make sure that, you moisture your skin well, and your lip.
Hmm.
That's very important because there are two very pigmented products that we use on our skin. That's our kajal and a lipstick.
Yeah.
And absolutely, it is an artificial colors. So
Yeah.
make sure that you remove your lipstick and put a lip balm and sleep,
Right.
which is very, very important.
All right. I'm reporting to you tonight, Ambika, whether I've done it or not.
Sure, sure. Exfoliated weekly once.
Okay.
Right.
Just a milk, a little oatmeal just gives an amazing result.
Hmm.
Right.
So because see, our skin gets cycled, the dry skin, and I'm sure these days even I don't regularly visit my salon, being safety measures and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Exfoliating your skin once in a week is absolutely safe.
Okay.
Wonderful.
I use Aroma Magica products. I use good oatmeal exfoliators or anything. Don't get into lemon. There are people, just try to put. Don't be
All,
harsh to your skin.
okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
Don't be harsh to your skin. Have you ever noticed you spill a lemon on our floor, after some time it goes white and then black.
Yeah.
So it basically, citric acids will remove our excess oil and natural oil and stuff.
Right.
Hope it
Right.
was informative.
Oh my God, it was awesome.
Thank you.
So, Ambika, thank you so much. I mean, it's all about being mindful. I think at the end of the day, we don't really think about the actions
Awesome.
that we are taking to
Yeah.
ourselves because we are always in a hustle, right? And in that hustle, we don't realize whatever we are doing, how it's impacting our skin, and all that. So, thank you so much for enlightening us on that.
A pleasure.
Um, Surbhi, you want to share something that probably we can ask Ambika for her message for Theascape and for all the women in general?
Anytime, any questions,
Yes.
drink plenty of water. The
Yeah.
Oh,
key
yes.
magic is
Biggest,
that.
biggest. Yes.
I forgot that. I round with my 2-liter bottle always.
Oh, me too, me too, me too. Where is it? It's not here. 2 liters. Yes.
Of course, it helps us in all means.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
So toxins, the toxin has to be, the more we flush out, the more your skin glows.
Yeah.
So make sure that, minimum 3 liters of water is must.
Hmm.
Right.
So I
Any
just love
questions?
TTM routine that you've kind of decoded for us. It's been very enlightening, and you've shared very simple, tricks so we can do it every day. So I'm
Sure,
sure following that.
sure.
Yeah. So, Abhika, as part of our sessions that we do under the Women Empower Women series, we ask our guests to share one message that they would like to share for the women in general and also for Theascape and the team behind Theascape.
Yeah.
Just love yourself like a kid.
Good
Be
one.
crazy like a kid.
Yes.
You should never ever be conscious of anything.
Yes,
I am a
absolutely.
plus size, okay? I'm a plus size. I
Yes, I'm
just,
also
I
plus
am.
size.
So, I always had that, okay, is that okay? Is that okay? And then, yeah, love yourself, guys. My son tells me,
Yeah.
Mama,
In
you are
Hindi,
the
we say,
prettiest person ever I have seen.
How
What more
sweet.
is required? I jump
Yes.
with him like him. So be like a kid,
Yeah.
yeah.
So in Hindi we say we keep thinking ना तो हमारा क्या होगा? You know, how will we live?
True.
Hmm.
Be like a kid. That's
Thank
all.
you, Ambika. It was a
Thank
lovely
you.
session.
Just
Thank
love
you so
it.
much.
And I think
Yeah.
everyone who joined us also loved it too, from whatever
Yeah,
comment.
thank you so much. And in case you tried it out, please send your pics to us so that we can feature you in our stories along with this
Sure.
IGTV.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure. Sure.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much. Bye.
Bye. Lots of
Be
love.
safe. Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you. Bye.